As you can see here, when I try to access my Android data folder or OBB folder, there is nothing is showing. Let's see how to access the Android data folder or OBB folder in Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install an application from your Play Store. So open your Play Store and search for files. Install this application. Once the installation is completed, open the application from here. Now open your Android folder. This time you can easily access your Android data folder or Android OBB folder, and you can copy, paste or move your files or folders from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.